In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to replace the pickup roller on your HP Laserjet Pro 200 color MFP M276nw printer to resolve paper jam issues. Turn off the printer and unplug it from the power outlet. Open the printer's paper tray. Locate the pickup roller, which is the black rubber roller that feeds paper into the printer. You can lift the tab up and out of the way. Gently pull the pickup roller out of the printer. Align the tabs on the pickup roller with the slots in the printer and push the roller into place until it clicks. Close the printer's paper tray. Plug the printer back into the power outlet and turn it on. Run a test print to make sure the new pickup roller is working properly.